finishing the grout, we're going to install the corner caddy. On the corner caddy, underneath the top shelf, we have a little plastic bracket that will get screwed in to the corner. Now this bracket has a little angle on the back side of it. That angle will catch a little bit of a tooth on the underside of that shelf. And then we'll also put some adhesive silicone on the side of the caddy. And that adhesive silicone will obviously adhere the caddy to the wall panels and hold it up there. So the first step is to determine our height. That's going to vary based on the homeowner. For this particular one, it's just regular height, simply just what's comfortable for a person to grab. Not too high, not too low, but just I like to do about eye level, right in the about middle of that first shampoo shelf there. So we'll go ahead and mark where the bracket should go, screw our holes, and then install the caddy. All right, so we'll go ahead and drill through the Onyx, a couple pilot holes, and remember the screws, they'll hold the bracket in place. The screws will screw back into the wall studs back in the corner. So we'll go ahead and just start the hole, and then once I get it started, I'll angle it a little bit towards the back. So we'll go ahead and screw the bracket in. A lot of times I like to get the first screw started and then just slip the bracket over top. Once our bracket's installed, we'll go ahead and put a little silicone on the back side of the caddy and set it in place. A couple notes on the silicone. Just be careful putting it too close to the edge, because when we press the caddy up against the panel, we don't want any silicone squishing out. So we'll kind of hold it back a little bit and just put a little bit, doesn't take much. Set it right onto that corner. And then just slowly guide it in. And I like to tape it in place for a little bit while the silicone sets up, just in case we bump it, it won't fall off. But shouldn't take long for that silicone to tack up back there. Now we'll go move on to the other side.